In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify Metaobjects versus Metafields, step-by-step tutorial plus examples. Start by opening your Shopify admin. In the sidebar, head into Settings, then open the section labeled Metafields and Metaobjects. From here, choose Products. This is where you manage extra data attached to your products. Metafields are perfect for small, single-purpose bits of information, like a short highlight or a care note that lives on one product. Let's create a simple product metafield as an example. In the Products area, open Metafield Definitions, then click Add Definition. Give your field a clear, human-friendly name, such as Highlight, so your team knows exactly what it's for. Next, click Select Type and choose single-line text. That keeps the field clean and easy to display in themes. To keep things organized, click Select Categories and scope this field to only the product categories where it applies. Scoping helps keep your product editor tidy and prevents accidental misuse on unrelated products. Now, let's switch gears to Metaobjects so you can see the difference. Go back to the Custom Data area and open Metaobject Definitions. Click Create a multi-field object for custom content or data structures. Unlike a single metafield, a metaobject is a reusable content type with multiple fields that you can relate to many products. Think of things like designer profiles, ingredient blocks, size guides, or, in our example, a standardized attribute from Shopify's Taxonomy. Use the search bar to look up definitions. Search for Neckline and open it. Inside the Neckline Metaobject definition, add fields that make sense for structured, reusable content. Choose single-line text for a clear display name customers will see, and add a taxonomy value field to link this metaobject to the official product taxonomy. That taxonomy link keeps your data consistent, supports better filtering and search, and helps with merchandising across your catalog. Here's the practical takeaway. Use a product metafield when you need a simple product-specific datum, like a short highlight you'll output on that product page. Use a meta-object when the data is structured, has multiple parts, and should be reused across many products or sections of your store. Metafields are quick and lightweight. Meta-objects are powerful, relational, and scalable. Once these are defined, you can surface them in your theme by connecting dynamic sources in your product templates and sections. For example, pull in the Highlight Metafield where you want a short callout, and reference the Neckline Metaobject to display consistent attribute names across product pages. That's the core difference, along with a hands-on example, so you can choose the right tool and keep your product data clean.